Hey guys, I want to give a huge shout out to Honda Riders. He just messaged me and sent me his footage. He just reached Master Prestige in Zombies. He spent the last few days completely grinding it out with no sleep trying to hit this level. He is the second person in the world to reach Master Prestige level in Black Ops 4 Zombies, and I wanted to make a video and show you guys all the stuff that you get along the way and what happens when you actually get there. When he ended his game and he was at Final Prestige, he got an error message, and he also had another error after this, and this is the same thing that happened to the first person that did get Master Prestige as well. I'll show you guys his stats page and what it took to get there. So he had to play for 2 days and 23 hours. He got over 184,000 kills. He played 51 games, but that's going to vary for everybody depending on the rounds that you go to. When you go from rank 1 to 55 to Prestige, you need 1.4 million XP, and to get to Master Prestige, you need 14 million XP. When you do reach Master Prestige, you get to keep everything unlocked permanently. Obviously, that's how it's always been. So here are all the weapons that you get to keep unlocked. You'll have access to all of the 14 perks, and you'll have access to all of the classic gums. So none of these will ever be locked again. Along with Master Prestige, you will get 11 calling cards, and here is Prestige 1 through 10. So right here, they're hovered over 10. You can see that there, and if you just go backwards, you can count down to 1. But this is the 10th Prestige calling card that you see on the right. Here's what the Master Prestige calling card looks like. It's animated, and it has like an Illuminati eye, and you can see the Illuminati members standing around with torches. And here's what the Master Prestige calling card looks like animated. And here's one of the other errors that's showing up for people that do Master Prestige. It happened to the first guy, and it happened to Honda as well. You can see next to his 55 Master Prestige, it's blank, and there's something wrong with the emblem. They're not showing up. He said as soon as you Master Prestige, it went blank, and even standing in the lobby, you can't see anything next to that 56. So right now, nobody knows what Master Prestige emblem is supposed to look like. You can see the Prestige 10 right here, that showed up just fine, but as soon as he went to 56 and Master, yeah, it disappeared. Here's what all of the 10 Prestige emblems look like. You can see 1 right there all the way to 10. It's possible that this glitched blank emblem for Master Prestige is linked to this error code here, UI error 1388. He got it right as he ended the game in Prestige, and he's continuing to get it as he plays. He said he was in a game earlier, and 3 times this error message popped up mid-game, but I'm sure it'll get reported and fixed by the time other people get there. But I hope this helped you guys out, and we'll see you next video.
Thank you for watching Glitching Queen's video. Hoorah!